think, Rex? You think legit, dog?
Bye.
Bad night. By now heard a couple of the revs. I'm out in traffic. I'm gonna get a little bit of load for you guys. You can't really notice the difference too much. I mean, for those of you that want the headers, it doesn't sound any different. A lot of you are going to ask, you know, why did you do this? It's bad for your car. Also, you're going to ask, did I notice any power differences? Right now, on the same day that I filmed all the other clips, I'm doing some data logging for Drunk Man so that he can make sure that the car is running efficiently. I mean, as efficiently as it can. So I'm going to send him the data logs tonight of exactly what he needs. Hopefully he gets back to me pretty soon about a retune or reflash or whatever you want to call it. And we'll keep going from there. And then eventually, once the dynos and shops and stuff start opening back up, I'll get it to an actual dyno and be able to see what kind of power it puts down, whether it was a gain, a loss, or if it stayed the same and it's just a sound modification. As of right now, since I've got car seats in the back and stuff, I don't care about being the fastest guy out there. There's a lot of hate around these headers, which is quite unfortunate because, you know, body kits and wings and all this kind of shit and the stance game, like I don't hate anybody. I respect everybody and what they do with their cars, whether it's for me or not. And a lot of the documenting that I'm doing is for the guys out there that really want to do some stuff like this, but there's so many critics out there that are unwilling to help and, you know, just it's not what the Subaru community is about. It was always centered around help when I started in it years ago. Now it's just a bunch of hate sessions. Shut up, Facebook. I love you though. But again, hate if you want, that's cool. None of you live in my house, so I don't have to, you know, wake up to your judgment and go to sleep with your judgment every day. So say what you need to in the comments. Believe me, I've heard it all over the place. For those of you who are not haters and you are very interested, feel free to comment in the section below, and I'll try to get back with some answers as best as I possibly can. I'm going to keep documenting and keep this going just to see how it goes. I mean, eventually either the twin scroll is going to blow, I'm going to blow the motor, in which case I'll go IAG block and then get a single scroll and then it'll be all right. So for right now, it sounds like a catless STI and I am quite happy with my purchase.